Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Azure AD B2C and React Native step by step clearly. To authenticate with Azure AD B2C and React Native, start by setting up your Azure AD B2C tenant. Navigate to the Azure portal and create a new B2C tenant if you haven't already. Once your tenant is created, go to the Azure AD B2C section. Create a new application by selecting App Registrations. Choose a name for your application and set the redirect URI to a custom. For example, use myappy//auth as your redirect URI. Make sure to select the checkbox to allow public client flows. After registering your app, take note of the application client ID. Now, under Policies, create a user flow for sign up and sign in. Select the identity providers you want to include, such as email and social logins. Configure the attributes and claims you want to collect from users. Save your user flow and note the name, as you will use it in your React Native app. Next, open your React Native project. Install the necessary dependencies by running the command npm install at azure/vsol React Native. Import public client application from the at azure/vsol React Native package. Initialize the MSAL client with your application ID and redirect URI. Set up the configuration object with appropriate scopes, which typically includes your API scope. Now, create a function to handle user sign-in. In your sign-in function, call the MSAL sign-in method with the necessary parameters. Use the response to retrieve the access token upon successful authentication. Ensure to handle errors gracefully for failure scenarios. Once authenticated, you can store the access token securely. Utilize the token to make authorized API requests to your backend services. In your UI, display user data or status based on the authentication state. Test your authentication flow thoroughly to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, review your Azure AD B2C settings for any additional configurations you might need. You have now successfully set up authentication with Azure AD B2C in your React Native application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.